So we have this DEWALT leaf blower. It's a FLEXVOLT 60V max, 157 miles an hour. It is a cordless battery operated blower kit. So let's check out this review. So I've had several leaf blowers in the past, and this one is by far the strongest one of all the battery operated ones. I'm able to tackle tough cleanup jobs, clear stubborn debris, because it has a 60V max high capacity battery there. And this blower produces actually not that much noise, 78% less noise than gas. This kit comes with one battery, and this battery is a 60V battery. It's pretty strong out of the box. And if you want to buy another battery, you can do that as well. Also in the kit, it includes a flat nozzle, a concentrator nozzle, and a shoulder strap. One thing I like about this blower is that it has real-time LED dashboard to tell you how much battery time is left. So no longer halfway through a job guessing to see if you have much power left. So you know exactly when you need to complete the job based on the LED screen. Overall, I give this a 5 out of 5 rating. Definitely very strong leaf blower. Gets the job done. And also you can tell it's built with high quality parts from DEWALT, which is always a great brand.